Ever feel like your bank account is slowly being nibbled away by a horde of tiny, recurring charges? You know, those subscriptions you signed up for ages ago, the free trials that morphed into monthly fees, or maybe even services you don't even remember subscribing to in the first place. If that sounds familiar, you're definitely not alone. In today's digital age, managing our finances often feels like navigating a minefield of subscriptions, and keeping track of them all can be a real headache. But what if there was a way to tame this subscription chaos, to bring order to the financial frenzy? Well, that's exactly what services like Rocket Money and Billshark promise to do. They step in as your personal subscription detectives and negotiators, aiming to save you time, money, and the frustration of endless scrolling through bank statements. So, the big question is, which of these financial superheroes reigns supreme in the battle against unwanted and overpriced subscriptions? That's exactly what we're going to dive deep into today. We'll be putting Rocket Money and Billshark head to head, exploring their features, comparing their approaches, and ultimately helping you decide which one, if either, deserves a spot in your financial toolkit. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's understand why subscription management has become such a crucial aspect of personal finance. Think about it: streaming services for movies and music, cloud storage, fitness apps, news outlets, software subscriptions, the list goes on and on. Individually, many of these might seem like small expenses, but when you add them all up, they can take a significant bite out of your monthly budget. The problem is, these subscriptions are often designed to be sticky. Free trials auto-renew, cancellation processes can be deliberately convoluted, and it's easy to simply forget about services you're no longer actively using. This is where subscription management services come in. They aim to provide a centralized platform to track, manage, and even cancel your subscriptions, offering a much-needed layer of control over your recurring expenses. Now, let's introduce our contenders, Rocket Money and Billshark. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, has gained significant popularity for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive suite of financial management tools. While subscription management is a core feature, Rocket Money goes beyond simply tracking subscriptions. It offers budgeting tools, spending insights, net worth tracking, and even the ability to negotiate bills on your behalf. Think of it as a more holistic personal finance app with a strong focus on subscription control. Billshark, on the other hand, positions itself primarily as a bill negotiation and cancellation service. While they do help you identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions, their main strength lies in their negotiation prowess. They aim to lower your existing bills for services like internet, phone, and cable, taking a cut of the savings they achieve for you. Subscription cancellation is often offered as part of their broader bill management services. So, how do these two services stack up when it comes to specifically managing subscriptions? Let's break it down by looking at some key aspects. Subscription discovery and tracking. Both Rocket Money and Billshark excel at this fundamental task. They connect to your bank and credit card accounts to automatically identify recurring charges. Rocket Money presents this information in a clean and intuitive dashboard, categorizing your subscriptions and allowing you to easily review them. You can confirm subscriptions, mark them as essential, or flag them for cancellation. Billshark also scans your accounts for subscriptions, presenting them in their platform. While their interface is functional, it might not be as visually engaging as Rocket Money's. However, the core functionality of identifying recurring payments is present in both. Cancellation process. This is where their approaches diverge slightly. Rocket Money empowers you to cancel subscriptions directly through their app in many cases. They provide clear instructions and often handle the cancellation process on your behalf, saving you the hassle of contacting companies directly. This can be a significant time saver and a welcome relief for those who dread navigating customer service lines. Billshark, while they do offer subscription cancellation, often prioritize contacting the service provider on your behalf. This can be beneficial if you anticipate difficulties or want to ensure the cancellation is handled correctly. However, it might take a bit longer than Rocket Money's more direct approach. Bill negotiation. This is where Billshark truly shines. Their core service is negotiating lower rates on your existing bills for services like internet, cable, phone, and even security systems. They analyze your bills, contact providers, and leverage their negotiation expertise to try and secure you a better deal. If they are successful, they typically charge a one-time fee based on a percentage of the savings they achieve. Rocket Money also offers a bill negotiation service, but it's often considered a secondary feature compared to their subscription management tools. While they will attempt to negotiate certain bills on your behalf, it's not their primary focus. Pricing and fees. Rocket Money offers a tiered subscription model. Their basic service, which includes subscription tracking and cancellation, is free. However, to access premium features like bill negotiation, budgeting tools, and advanced insights, you'll need to subscribe to their premium plan, which has a monthly fee that varies depending on your chosen tier. Billshark operates on a contingency fee model for their bill negotiation services. They typically charge a one-time fee of 40% of the savings they achieve for you on a particular bill. If they don't save you any money, you don't pay. For subscription cancellation, it's often included as part of their overall service. User interface and experience. Rocket Money generally receives high praise for its user-friendly and visually appealing interface. The app is well organized, making it easy to navigate and understand your financial information. Their subscription management tools are seamlessly integrated into the broader app experience. Billshark's interface is functional but might feel less polished compared to Rocket Money. Their focus is primarily on the bill negotiation aspect, and the subscription management features, while present, might not be as prominently displayed or as intuitive to use. Additional features. Rocket Money offers a wider range of financial management tools beyond subscription and bill management. These include budgeting features, spending analysis, net worth tracking, credit score monitoring, and even the ability to set up savings goals. This makes it a more comprehensive personal finance app. Billshark's focus remains primarily on bill negotiation and cancellation. While they do help with subscription management, they don't offer the same breadth of additional financial tools as Rocket Money. So, which one should you choose? The answer, as it often is, depends on your individual needs and priorities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.